are doing one more example, that is how many 5-digit number is possible which is divisible by 3 formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if repetition is not allowed. Okay, so we have to solve this problem. Okay, now solution. Okay, now in this one what you have to remember, here we want number should be divisible by 3. Okay, a number is divisible by 3, so we know that a number is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of the digits is divisible by 3, or sum of remainder of every digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, so a number is divisible by 3 if sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or sum of remainder of every digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, for example, if I take a number is what 7, 3, 4, 5, 2. If I take one example 7, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, now we have to check sum of remainder of every digit should be divisible by 3. Okay, so if I divide 7 by 3, what is the remainder? 1. Okay, 3 divided by 3 remainder is what? 0. Okay, 4 divided by 3 remainder is what? 1. 5 divided by 3 remainder is what? 2. Okay, and 2 divided by 3 remainder is what? 2. Okay, if I check sum of remainder, so 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, what will come? 6. Okay, and we know that 6 is divisible by 3, so we can say that this number is what? Divisible by 3. Okay, now here also 7 divided by 3 remainder is what? 1 also. Okay, 3 divided by 3 remainder is what? 0. 4 divided by 3 remainder is what? 1. Okay, 5 divided by 3 remainder is what? Either 2 or minus 1. Similarly, 2 divided by 3 remainder is what? Either 2 or minus 1. Okay, if you check this summation, 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1, so what will come? 0. Okay, and 0 is what? Divisible by 3, so we can say that this number is what? Divisible by 3. Now solution. Okay, so we want 5-digit number. Okay, so you have to take 5 place. This one is what? First place, this one is second place, third place, fourth place, and fifth place. Okay, so we want 5-digit number, that means you have to fill all the 5 place. Okay, that means your task is what? Filling all the 5 place. Okay, now number should be what? Divisible by 3. Okay, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if sum of remainder of every digit is what? Divisible by 3. Okay, that means we are using 5 digits. Okay, so first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, and fifth digit, if you divide by 3, you will get some remainder. Okay, that summation should be what? Divisible by 3. Then we can say that number is divisible by 3. Okay, for that what you will do? Okay, given is what? Digits are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these digits we are categorizing into 3 parts. Okay, first part is what? In this one, remainder is what? 0. Okay, the number which gives remainder 0, that is 0 and 3. Okay, so in this category we'll get 0 and 3. Okay, so 0 and 3 will give remainder is what? 0. So R not equal to what? How many numbers are there? 2 number which give remainder 0. Okay, second is what? 3 and plus 1. Okay, so in this category how many number will come? 1 and 4. Okay, so 1 and 4. So remainder 1, how many number will give? 2 number. Similarly, third category is what? 3 and plus 2. The number which gives remainder 2, that is 2 and 5. Okay, so what will come? 2 and 5. Okay, so there are 2 number which gives remainder 2. Okay, so remainder 0, how many number will give? 2 numbers. That means we have to use 0 2 times. Correct? Because 2 number will give 0 remainder. Okay, similarly, remainder 1, how many number will give? 2 numbers. That means we have to use 1 2 times. Okay, and remainder 2, how many number will give? 2 numbers. That means you have to use 2 2 times. Okay, so we got 6 remainder. Okay, now we want 5-digit number. That means out of 6 remainder, you have to take 5 remainder in such a way that sum should be what? Divisible by 3. Okay. Now what you have to do? Maximum sum of 5 remainder is equal to what? Maximum sum of 5 remainder. Okay. That means you have to add what? Remainder 2 plus remainder 2 plus remainder 1 plus remainder 1 plus remainder 0. So what will come? 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. Okay. That is maximum sum. So that will be what? 6. Okay. Second is what? We have to find out minimum sum of 5 remainder. 5 remainder. Okay. So that will come what? 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So what will come? 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. That will come what? 4. Okay. We know that maximum sum of 5 remainder is what? 6. Okay. And minimum is what? 4. Okay. And we want that sum of remainder should be what? Divisible by 3. So only possible is what? Sum should be what? 6. Okay. That means we have to write what? Remainder 2 plus remainder 2 plus remainder 1 plus remainder 1 plus remainder 0. Okay. So remainder 2 how many times is coming? 2 times. That means we have to take 2 digits in such a way that remainder should be what? 2 if you divide by 3. Okay. And repetition is not allowed. That means both the digits should be distinct. Okay. So we have to take 2 digits which gives remainder 2. Okay. So if you check here, 2 digits what? 2 and 5. That means we have to take 2 and 5. Okay. Second is what? Remainder 1 also repeating 2 times. Okay. So we have to take 2 digits which gives remainder 1 if you divide by 3. Okay. And repetition is not allowed. That means both the digits should be distinct. Okay. So if you check here, remainder 1 how many will give? 1 and 4. Okay. That means you have to take both the number 1 and 4. Okay. Next one, remainder 0. Okay. So we have to take 1 digit which gives remainder 0 if we divide by 3. Okay. So that we can take either 0 or 3. So out of these 2 digits, we can take 1 digit. Okay. So either we can take 0 or 3. Okay. Suppose we are taking 0. So what will come? 2, 5, 1, 4, 0. Okay. If I take 3 here, so what will come? 2, 5, 1, 4, 1, 4 and 3. Okay. So we got this one. Okay. For finding 5 digit number which is divisible by 3, either we have to use 25140 or we have to use 25143. Okay. So this one I am taking out case 1. Case 1. In this one 0 is there. Okay. So we have to find out 5 digit number using these 5 digits. Okay. Now if 0 is there, so first we have to take care of this place, 5th place. Okay. Now here we can't put 0. Okay, other than 0 we can put any number. So for filling this number, how many choice we have? 4 choice. Okay. We have to fill other place also. That means you have to use multiplication because task is not over. Okay. Now out of these 4 number, one number is coming here. Suppose 5 is coming here. Okay. And repetition is what? Not allowed. So we can't repeat 5 again. So we are cancelling this one. Okay. Now this place. Okay. How many number we can put? We can put here 2 also, 1 also, 4 also, 0 also. Okay. How many choice we have? 4 choice. So into 4. Okay. Suppose here we are putting 1. So 1 is cancelling here. Correct? Because we can't repeat 1. Okay. So after filling this number, we have to fill this one also. Okay. So we have to use multiplication. Okay. Similarly, this place if you want to fill. Okay. So how many choice we have? Either we can put 2, 4 or 0. How many choice we have? 3. Okay. Suppose we are putting here 0. Okay. So 0 we can't repeat. Okay. Now again multiplication. Now we have to fill this one also. Okay. So how many choice we have? 2 and 4. Suppose we are putting here 4. Correct? So how many choice we have? 2 choice. Okay. So we can't repeat 4. Okay. Now this place. So how many choice we have? Only 1 choice, that is 2. So how many choice? 1 choice. So what is now? 4 into 4 factorial. Okay. Similarly, by using these 5 digits, we have to find out 5 digit number. So we are taking 5 place. Okay. All the 5 places you have to fill. Okay. There is no 0. So you can start from anywhere. Okay. Suppose you are starting from here. Okay. So this place, how many number we can put? Either we can put 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. So how many choice we have? 5 choice. Okay. So we have to use multiplication because task is not over. Because we have to fill other place also. Okay. Now suppose here 5 is coming. Okay. And repetition is what? Not allowed. So we can't repeat again 5. Okay. So we are cancelling. So again into. Okay. Now we have to fill this place. Okay. So this place we can put what? 2, 1, 4, 3. How many choice we have? 4 choice. Okay. Suppose here 2 is coming. Now repetition is not allowed. So we can't repeat 2. So 2 or 2 is also cancelling. Okay. Again multiplication. Okay. So for this place, how many choice we have? Either we can put 1, 4, 3. How many choice? 3 choice. Suppose here 4 is coming. Okay. Now we can't repeat 4. Okay. Now for this place, how many choice we have? Only 2 choice. 1 and 3. What will come? How many choice? 2 choice. Okay. Similarly, at the last place, how many choice we have? Only 1 choice. Okay. So what will come? 5 factorial. Okay. So what is the answer? 4 into 4 factorial plus 5 factorial. That is your answer.